There are some evil ways to make money on YouTube, and I'm going to explain that in this video. There are all of these lovely little fans looking at your channel, expecting good from you. They trust you, they love you, they will follow you off a cliff if they have to. So make sure you do not break the trust between you and your audience. Here are some things which some YouTubers have done to make money off YouTube in an evil way. You could even call it a scam. The first one is selling them a product which is not good. You put the affiliate link in your description and you get them to click on it. Actually, that is not something which you have tried yourself, so why would you even sell it? But this is what they do. Let's just say that it's a food processor. This food processor, I have not tried it, I have not tested it, put it in my description and people buy it, and then they can start complaining about how bad this food processor is. So that is what I mean. It's a scam. This is a way to make money off your viewers. If you are selling a product, you need to test it first. Another one, which is even worse, is selling a course. If you sell a course and it's worth a lot, for instance, some YouTubers sold a course that was over $500, over $1,000, because they thought it was going to be a good course. But once they started watching the videos and going through the steps in the course, they found out that the course was not very useful. They just read some finance book or something and they started making a course about it, and then they sold it. And people are actually spending money. The viewers, some of them spend even their last amount of money. They are so desperate to make money that they end up buying it. They spend a lot of money on it, but it actually doesn't even bring them any value. So that is a very evil way to make money on YouTube. Another one, which is quite similar, which is related to finance, is asking your audience to invest in a crypto coin or some kind of NFT that you made up. Logan Paul. Crypto too. Hey, who said that? Hey, who said that? If you ask your audience to invest in a crypto coin that raises its value so high, keeps going higher, people keep buying it and buying it and buying it, and then you sell it because you have access to the crypto coin. That is known as a rug pull. Very, very bad thing to do. It's one of the most evil ways to make money on YouTube, because people can lose hundreds of thousands of dollars if they have invested in that coin and you are making all of the profit. Some YouTubers have done that. So those are 3 that I have mentioned in this video. There are way more, but if you want to find out how to make money on YouTube in a legit way, check out this other 2-part video on how to make money on YouTube in a legit way this time. Link right here.